guys, so I'm back. Temperature in Albury is like -1 to, I don't know, like 1 or 2 degrees. It's winter time right now, so I'll be documenting my prep. Yeah, let's go. So usually we'll be waiting in the car for a while because it's really cold and the car takes a while to warm. Little blue light, waiting for it to go off before we start our day. So we're home now and this is what I usually do for prep. I'm not joking about the temperature, guys. Check this out. My bottle. Thank you. Bye. See you. So we're back home right now after a typical day. Meal prep, go to work, train, come back to cook, and so it's time to eat up. See you guys later. So usually groceries, we get eggs, vegetables, got some beef, some pork, chipolatas, and of course chicken breast, drumsticks for now because they're on sale. So this has been a latest addiction in my prep. I don't know why or what I started doing this, or what made me start doing this, but adding some rice vinegar. Heard is very good. I don't know why. Babe, why is this good again?
Oh, it burns fat.
Oh, she says it burns fat and there's like vitamins. Oh great. We just ran out of my favorite thing. So apparently it's supposed to be really good. Seasoning onto dry raw onions. Alright, so this is a staple of mine, post-workout. Just want to say a big thanks to JDN for helping me with anything that I need, whether it's BCA, glutamine, creatine, amino build, amino shred, whey protein isolate, my favorite, and this is chocolate popcorn flavor. So I always have one scoop in my pre-workout and one scoop post-workout. So just got home and I need to get my fuel back. Really good quality macros here. So there's 30 grams of protein, 0.4 grams of fat and 0.1 gram of carbs. So it's really clean. Not sure if you can see it, but head onto my profile and you can click their link and you can check out all their products online with all their flavors. Heat it up. It's the best part of my day. So actually I take back what I said. It's not a very typical day because look what's here. My monthly supply of Riderwear. I really want to give a shout out to these guys as well because they have been taking care of all my apparel needs. So this comes every month and I'm really blessed to have them in my corner throughout all my competitions and providing me with the training apparel that I need. So we got shoes, we got hanks, we got stringers, winter wear. So do check them out on their website. They got really good designs and really comfortable apparel. So look what we have here. How awesome is that? Look at these trainers. Really comfortable. Used some of these before. So generally this is what my day looks like after the last meal is prepared. I will sit here, stay hydrated during prep. My protein should be almost done by now. Very important, the heater has to be switched on due to the temperature now, and time to unwind. Alright guys, so just about to have my last meal now. Usually I have it around 8 to 10 to 9 p.m. Try not to eat too late as I wake up quite early these days. So I hope you enjoyed today's full day of eating video, and yeah, just let me know what else you want to see in the next few videos. I'll be doing one rest day full eating video, so that's a bit different now because I'm on prep, so you guys can see what, you know, how I adjust my calories based on my energy output, which is very low on rest day. Just basically some walking and some cardio and really resting. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See ya.